Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a TNT cannon. So for this cannon, you'll be needing moonstone explosives and mega compressed messy stone. So the first thing you want to do is pillar up 5 blocks using the mega compressed messy stone. Then make a line of 11 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then make a line here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And make another line on the other side. Then grab your moonstone explosive, place one here, and then place the second one 2 blocks apart. And there you have it, an awesome TNT cannon. This cannon will allow you to throw TNT far away. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, subscribe and like. And see you in the next one.